I successfully parallel parked. I was literally just like lying flat on the ground. We don't really have that much water at the moment. I think I might use a spoon next time. Hi guys, so I've tried filming this intro so many times that my arm was getting sore, so I'm now using my left arm, so hopefully it doesn't look too weird. As promised from my last video, I said I was going to do a try on haul for all the online shopping that I went and picked up. So yeah, we'll just get straight into that. Alright, hey guys, I just recently bought a whole heap of stuff off Shein Australia. What are my hands doing? So yeah, I just thought I'd quickly review them for you. So this is the first thing I bought. It's just this lovely blue crop top. It's super soft and has this nice lace trimming up the top and then some buttons. Super comfy and cute, and I'd probably rate this one a 10 out of 10. So this is the next thing I bought. It's just this tie-dye crop top. I think this is perfect for working out or going on a hike or something. It's very light. I really love the tie-dye and the ribbed material. I'd also rate this one a 10 out of 10. Off to a flying start with my ratings. So next I bought this top. It's just this black top with the string in the middle. I like this one too. I will definitely be wearing it. It's just a good staple to have, I reckon. It's a little bit big up here. There's nothing wrong with that. It's good freedom when you're like on a hot summer's day. You don't want to be too constricted. Probably rate this one a 9 out of 10 because it's still really nice and a good basic to have. So this is the last thing I bought. It's just this cropped black long sleeve top. It has this like interesting type of material, which I believe is more of a party type material, like something you would wear when you were going out. But as I can't do that right now because I'm in stage 4 lockdown, I think I'll just wear it as a little casual top. So the whole point of my online shopping was so that I can buy casual clothes since I can't go out anywhere. Overall, I'm very happy with my purchases. I think everything's super cute and comfy, so I'll definitely get some good wear out of it. My only problem with Shein is that it had a lot of packaging. Everything came in a package and then another package, and I just thought it was a bit unnecessary. So that was my first problem. And the other thing that I'm not a fan of is that it is a fast fashion brand, so I'd really try not to support those. But sometimes, you know, it's a little bit difficult. Usually I buy all my stuff secondhand, but because we're in lockdown, nothing's really open. I would love for you guys to suggest some ethical, sustainable brands that I can buy clothes off. So please comment down below if you know any, because I would love to hear what you guys have to say about it. Hey guys, so it's now Tuesday morning and I've just done some design work this morning with a new style, so I'll show you guys that. And I'm just going to head over to Jack's house now. Before I go, I'm just going to stop by a little local cafe and buy a little roll for him because they're his favourite and it's good to support local cafes. So I just arrived and I successfully parallel parked, so that's great news. So I'm going to head in and get the button. Good morning guys. So today I've decided that I'm going to start yoga. So I just finished my yoga. It was very relaxing. I did enjoy it. It was a lot easier than I thought. I was literally just like lying flat on the ground. But yeah, it was nice. It was only 10 minutes. I just used the yoga app if you guys were interested in getting it. Nice way to start your day. Hey guys, so I'm just gonna go on a walk now. Guys, I've kind of creeped myself out. I started thinking about the 2 murder mysteries I watched last night. So that's not a great idea, but I'm kind of all by myself in the woods. Yeah, I'm gonna head home now. Hi guys, what a flattering angle. I cannot talk on this angle though. Where did my hat go? Oh, sorry, I didn't realize I was recording that. So gross. So I'm currently just sitting outside. It's so lovely and my body hasn't seen the sun since the start of the year, so I'm just like enjoying the vitamin D. Next to me are the 2 books I'm reading. I've already read The Little Book of Confidence. It was so cute. I did really enjoy that one. And now I'm going to start reading The Best Advice I Ever Had. I'm just enjoying the sun right now and I'll get back to you guys soon. Hey guys, so I just came back inside because I was starting to get a little dehydrated because I was in the sun so much, and we don't really have that much water at the moment because yesterday there was a storm and the power went out. And then this morning we woke up and they said you can't drink your water unless you boil it. So I kind of only have this much left. There's some more in the fridge at the moment, just like cooling down. But yeah, this is all I have for the moment. Also, I'm really liking the book, the advice book. Some good pieces of advice. But yeah, it's so crazy, like the storm. And then today, like you saw outside, it was so beautiful. It's just, oh, that doesn't look too great, it's just the house, but yeah, it's just like really sunny and like literally blue sky. Classic Melbourne. I've decided I'm gonna start cooking now. I'm wearing this top that I also wore in my baking vegan cupcakes video for good luck. So I'm gonna be making the M&M cookies. I already ate a few, but should be enough. And then I'm also gonna make some vegan ones. So yeah, I'm just gonna get started. I just got all my ingredients out. If it turns out well, I'll leave the recipe down below. Time for the salt. We'll just put a little bit in this time.
Oh.
Wait. Alright, I'm just going to begin whisking it. This is what it looks like, if you're wondering. I forgot to preheat the oven again. Alright, we're all good. I'm just going to keep mixing. It's very clumpy, but that's fine. I think I'm just meant to use my fingers now. Alright, so it's pretty much all ready, I think. I think I might use a spoon next time. Anyway, so I just lined the baking tray and now I'm just gonna scoop out this, and I'm gonna try and make them really round as opposed to like the flat cookies. Alright, so I've just mixed it all in, and there's the vegan one. I'm just gonna pop them into the baking tray. My timer just went off. I'm gonna see how they're going. Wow, wow, they're massive. Okay, I think they're ready. I'm just gonna test them. So guys, this is what they look like. They turned out really well. I already had a bite and they taste so good. I'm just gonna let them rest now, but I would say that was a success. Guys, they are literally so good. Like, look at this. I'm just gonna set you up. Look at that. Wow, that was the worst lighting ever, but they're so good. Hey guys, so it's now some time later. I just went on a little walk. If you're wondering why I go on so many walks, it's because you can only leave the house for like 4 reasons, and one of them is exercise, so I like to make the most of that one, especially when it is really nice outside. So I'll show you guys a little clip from my walk. Other than that, that's pretty much the end of the vlog. Thank you guys for watching again. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon. Bye!